Did you know that most viral onion cutting hacks actually make you cry more? I tested 8 popular methods with real science tools to measure tear chemicals. First, I tried the match in mouth trick. The sulfur compounds went through the roof. Next, cutting near running water. This one surprised me. It worked, but only for 2 minutes. Then I tested chilled onions versus room temperature. The cold ones released 30% fewer irritants. But here's where it gets crazy. Sharp knives versus dull knives showed the biggest difference. Dull blades crush cells and release way more chemicals. I measured it. The goggle method worked perfectly. But let's be honest, you look ridiculous. Different cutting boards made zero difference, despite what your aunt claims. Breathing through your mouth barely helped. But the winning combination shocked me. A super sharp knife, chilled onion, and this specific cutting technique used by professional chefs reduced tear production by 70%. The secret is in how you slice the root end. Most people do it completely wrong and torture themselves for nothing.